Before I start with this presentation, I just want to say that this is my personal tool. I pay it with my own money. I did not receive any kind of compensation, financial or otherwise, from the producer, distributor or anybody else. Hello! Welcome to all of you, the regular viewers and the new ones who find this channel for the first time. Thank you for the visit and for your attention. Today we are going to talk about the electric hand planer. To be particular about this model from the company DWT, and the model has a pretty long name. It is HB02-82 B. Quite a long name for a small tool. So this is not unpacking, since I use this tool for almost a year, but we can call it first look and testing of the possibilities of this hand planer. So let's start. So first we are going to see what is inside this box. As I mentioned, it is not a new tool, but I have all those parts as I moment I bought it. This is the look inside the box. As you can see, we have a manual, of course. This is the attachment for the sharpening of the knives. This is the attachment for the setting the distance of the grind. What else we have here? So this is the attachment for the alignment of the blade when we change the blades. We have a dust bag, classic one key, and what else we have? We have this small attachment. It is for the setting the depth of the cut, and two bolts, I think. That is, except the planer, of course. So this is the hand planer that we are going to talk about today. We have seen what is inside the box. Now let's talk about the model itself. Company that produces this hand planer is called DWT. To be honest, the first time when I hear about this company was the moment when I buy this tool. I didn't plan to buy this model. I was with the intention to buy another one, but when I saw this model, I liked the price at the first place, and the second, a few other things that made me change my mind to buy this model. First thing that I noticed with this planer, it's the type of the blade that has installed. This hand planer has high-speed steel blades. It's steel blades. You can sharpen them, and they are positioned under this black cover. This type of blades you can sharpen after they get dull. Just to notice that on the market there are another kind of knives for these hand planers. They are carbide blades. Their advantage is that they have two sharp sides, but they are thin as let me say, as a few millimeters like this. So and also, second thing is there is a models with only one carbide blade on the rotating cylinder. For me, that is very upsetting. I like to have a symmetrical position of the blade. There are two blades on this cylinder, and that was good enough for me to decide for this model. From the technical point of view, this machine has a 650 watts of power. Other interesting technical details is that the width of the leveling plane is 82 millimeters. This is this dimension. With this tool we can make a groove that we can have a depth of the 15 millimeters, and the depth of the cut on the planing is from 0 to 2 millimeters. You can adjust the depth with this dial here. That is pretty standard for every, let me say, hand planer that is on the market. From another characteristic of this tool, I would like to mention that this tool does not have, let me say, lift here for the function when you put the blade after working on the table. There is on some models on the back side there is a, let me say, some kind of small foot that prevents the plane to get on even on the surface. With this model, that is absent. So be careful when you're placing your sander after work. I use this position. So after I finish with my work, I just put the planer in this position. So that is one of the bad sides of this machine. This machine comes with the attachments. For work we have two attachments. You can see these holes here. This is the adjuster for the depth. I just need to mount it, and then I will show you its function. Okay, it's done. So on the other side we have the second attachment, the same position, and it's done. So this is the attachment for the groove making. With this attachment we can set the distance from, or the width of the groove that we are going to make, like this. And with this attachment here we can set the depth of the total groove. In order to make a groove of 1 centimeter, we will need 5 passes of 2 millimeters. And with this top here we have a safety brake that tells us when the depth is reached. So as you can see, pretty simple attachments. I will show you the functions later on when I have a testing of the planer. Okay, sorry, but I need to say a few words before we start the machine about the dial and the on-off switch. On-off switch is a standard issue. We have a safety button here. You can press it with your thumb, and you have start switch here. So you press with your button, and then the machine is operating. If you release the switches, the machine goes off. So about the dial, it is a very nicely built. You can clearly hear the sound that it makes after each turn. So all in all, it feels very sturdy. That is very nice to know when you're working with the planer. So this is about the last thing that I have to show you. Now we are going to start testing the machine.
Cool wind kissing my dread, no trouble hanging on my head. Sunrise pouring golden light, feeling blessed, I'm feeling right. Bills can wait, clocks don't matter. I'm stirring peace in my coconut platter. Birds got no boss, waves got no plan. Why should I? I'm just a man. No worries today, I let them all drift away. Feet in the sand, soul on replay. Sky so blue, heart so clear. I'm alive and love is near. Neighbors wave, kids laugh free. No war talk on this balcony, just the hum of a gentle bass. Life don't need a frantic pace. Trouble will come, let it find me slow. I'll be dancing where the mangoes grow. 'Cause stress don't own me, not today. I've got rhythm to keep it at bay. No worries today, I let them all drift away. Feet in the sand, soul on replay. Sky so blue, heart so clear. I'm alive and love is near. So if your mind's heavy like stone, come sit quiet, this silent tone. We'll forget what the world demands and breathe with open hands. No worries today, I'll let them all drift away. Feet in the sand, soul on replay. Sky so blue, heart so clear. I'm alive and love is near. Peace and love, hands together, rise above. Smiles are shining all around. Hearts united, hear the sound. Oh, peace and love, yeah, yeah, yeah. Peace and love. Every color, every face, find the joy in every place.
Okay, on this place I need to cut the video just for one short comment. I want you to notice the distance that machine adds in as you pass several times. You can see here, this is the most bad case. You can see as I passed every time the distance adds a few 1 mil maybe on the distance of the cut. End is also good, start is good, but on the middle there is this effect. Maybe that was because of I'm not so skilled with this tool, but I just wanted to show you that this happens with.
Smiles are shining all around. Hearts united, hear the sound. Oh, oh, word of loving is my sweet word. Fill the world with peace and love. Hands together, rise above. Smiles are shining all around. Hearts unite, hear the sound. Oh, oh.
So this is the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed in the content. If you like it, please hit subscribe. You can hit also the bell for the notification. There is also another videos on my channel. You're always welcome to subscribe, leave a comment, good or bad, anything you like. Thank you once again for staying until the end. I hope to see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.